Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can use Figmotion in Figma. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, log in to your Figma account, and once logged in, open the project that you want to work on. Once inside the project, go to the bottom panel and select Action. Then, on Plugins and Widgets, we're going to search for Figmotion. After that, Figmotion is going to ask you to run Figmotion in Figma. And then it will give you a code that you will enter in your browser. Wait for a few seconds for Figmotion to redirect you to another tab. Or you can click right here. And once your project in Figma, right here, you can also select the frame that you want to optimize and customize. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!